In this lecture, we will discuss various type of programming devices. It is what is programming device? Through programming device, a user can put their program into the PLC. So it is used to enter the desired program through that will determine the sequence of operation and control of process equipment. So it is programming devices are also called they have different names according to their different companies, like Allen Bradley called programming devices as industrial terminal, General Electric called programming device as program development terminal, similarly called Modicon it calls programming devices programming panel, similarly programmer, program loader or programming console. So there are different names of these programming devices. The types of programming devices are of three types. One is called handheld unit. So programming devices are used to enter, modify and troubleshoot a PLC program. The first device we can say is your handheld device with LED or LCD display. It is just like a mobile size device that can be carried from one place to another place. So it is called handheld. It can be held in one's hand. And it is having some devices are having LED display or LCD display. The second device for programming used is personal computer, simple computer that we are using that can also be used to program PLC. And third type is desktop type with CRT display, or it is also called desktop console. So there are three types of programming devices that we are using for programming the PLC. First device is handheld unit with LED or LCD display. So this type of device is connected to PLC with the help of a connecting cable. Through this device is having number of keys, set of keys through which user can enter, edit or put any code into the PLC. These handheld devices have very small display and very small number of instructions are visible to the programmer. The disadvantage of this type of handheld devices are that they have very limited capability, but the advantage is that they are very compact and easy to use and easy to carry. Another programming device is desktop console. These are like a visual display unit. They have full keyboard and screen display. So for programming we can use keyboard and for seeing the output we can use the monitor, just like big monitors. Through that any information or any control system can be controlled. So they can be connected to PLC with the help of serial or parallel ports. The third programming device is personal computer. It is used to program the PLC with the help of software given by the manufacturer. Means if we want to program PLC on PC, we have to use different software. Suppose we have Delta PLC, then we have to use WPL software through which we can program the PLC. Similarly, if we want to use Siemens PLC, then we have to use a different software. So each manufacturer have different software for programming the PLC that we have to install in our PC, and then we can program our PLC. So by using this PC we can run the program either in online mode or offline mode. We can edit our program, we can monitor, diagnose and troubleshoot our program of PLC using personal computer. So the advantage of using PLC personal computer is that the program that we write on PLC that can be stored on CD or pen drive and can be carried easily and can be run on any computer. So it is portable. So this is also very good type of programming device. So how PLC is connected and how various devices can be connected to PLC. So for that we have different PLC communication standard. They can be connected through serial port or parallel port. For serial port we use RS232 that is used for short distance computer communication. Most of the computer hardware and peripherals can be connected using RS232 port. and they can cover distance up to 30 meter, and the baud rate means bits per second that can be transmitted, can be 9600. So this is the serial port communication. The another can be parallel port communication. For that we use RS 422 or RS 482 communication standard, that is used for long distance communication, through which we can connect various personal computers in a distributed system. So RS 485 can cover distance of 1000 meters.